In this problem, we want to find a point of diminishing returns, so the function R, revenue, and X is amount spent. So we got R is equal to X to the third minus 15X squared plus 12X minus 6. Now the point of diminishing return is the same as the point of inflection, so we need to find the second derivative. So first thing, R prime, take your power, put it out in front, lower it by 1. So we got X to the third becomes 3X squared minus 15. Derivative of X squared, take your power, put it out in front, lower it by 1. And derivative of 12X becomes 12, and then negative 6 derivative of that is 0. So that gives us 3X squared minus 30X plus 12. Now for our second derivative, take derivative again. Derivative of X squared, take your power, put it out in front, lower it by 1. Derivative of negative 30X is negative 30. And 12 goes away. So that gives us 6X minus 30. Well, we then want to take our second derivative, set that equal to 0. Actually, put a box around that. So we'll set that equal to 0. So we got 6X minus 30 equal to 0. Take the negative 30 to the right side, becomes a positive 30. Divide both sides by 6. And we get X is equal to 5. And that's our critical value. Now again, it doesn't make sense to go to negative infinity, but I'm going to put it there just for ease of working the problems. And I'll put infinity over here. I'm not going to go very far away from the x equals 5 anyway, so it doesn't much matter. Now our test case, I want to choose something between negative infinity and 5. 0 would probably be a good one, but I'm going to choose 4. And choose something between 5 and positive infinity, like 6. Why didn't I put in x equals 0? X is the amount spent, so spending 0 doesn't really make sense for this problem. Now we want to plug those into our second derivative, which is 6x minus 30. So I got 6 times 4 minus 30, and I got 6 times 6 minus 30. 6 times 4 is 24, minus 30 is negative, so this is concave down. 6 times 6 is 36, minus 30 is positive, so this is concave up. Now our point of inflection is where the concavity changes. This is concave down, this is concave up. So we're going to have a point of inflection at x equals 5. But point of diminishing returns is the same as the point of inflection. So our point of diminishing returns is going to be 5, comma, and then we need to find out what r is. So we're going to take that and plug that back into the original function here. So r is equal to 5 to the third minus 15 times 5 squared plus 12 times 5 minus 6. Let's see what that gives us. I got 5 to the third, 5 carried 3. Press your right arrow key to get it out of exponent mode if you're in one of the newer T84s. Minus 15 times 5 squared plus 12 times 5 minus 6, enter. And we got negative 196. Now you can see I made these up, so negative doesn't make much sense in terms of revenue. If it is, then company's not really doing very well. But that's our point of diminishing returns.